I asked 16 women what traits they really find attractive in men, and the answer will absolutely shock you. Let's not waste no time, let's get into the video. Being a young man in today's society usually means you have to deal with a lot. Like bro, you're expected to excel financially, even though you're probably in the beginning stages of your career or in college. You're expected to be an intelligent problem solver, even though you haven't been taught to solve anything that wasn't on a test. You're expected to show your masculine side to the world, even if most young men don't even know what that means. And bro, you're expected to go out there and succeed with women when most of us don't even know what frankly attracts women in the first place. Today, I want to talk about women. I already made countless videos and shorts about what men struggle with in today's world. Hell, I even made a video about what type of woman will absolutely kill your happiness. But now, I want to show you kings what traits you need to possess to attract the lovely lady that you need instead of the toxic junk that you want. Welcome back to High Standard University. My name is Quincy, aka Q to Go, your soon-to-be favorite smart dumb guy. My mission here at High Standard University is to help you improve your life mentally, physically, and financially. And in this video, that's exactly what I intend to do. So grab your notes, grab yourself some water, and let's talk about what traits attract women. This should be fun. So in this study, the women range from 19 to 30 years old, and they resided from Mississippi all the way to Indiana. I wanted these women I selected to honestly rank 5 traits from most important to least important in terms of attractiveness. A was money and status. This describes a man's ability to achieve and maintain financial stability, and it also takes into account how he is viewed and respected by other men and women. B is appearance. This goes over how he walks, how he dresses, how he smells, his fitness level, his body shape, his size, and his ability to provide a sense of safety and protection to his woman. C is intelligence. This describes a man's ability to solve problems and acquire knowledge and skills. It also goes over his ability to achieve his goals and his overall direction in life. D is his emotional health. This is his ability to convey emotions like anger and love in an appropriate and timely manner. This also describes his ability to maintain emotional stability not only with his partner, but with his friends and himself. And finally, we have social skills. This is his ability to start and maintain interesting conversations. This also goes over his wit, his humor, and his overall charisma. All these traits were counted in a point system. See, whatever trait was considered most important to that person will receive 5 points. Their second will receive 4, their third will receive 3, so on and so forth. And at the end, every trait was counted and given a total score. Hold on just a second. Before we get into the results of this study, I want you to scroll down into the comment section and comment what trait you think earned the most important spots. I got time. Go ahead. You done? Alright. Appreciate you. Okay. Let's get started with money and status. Money and status received 0 first place votes, 1 second place vote, 5 third place votes, 4 fourth place votes, and 6 fifth place votes, for a total score of 33 points. Appearance is next on the board with 1 first place vote, 3 second place votes, 4 third place votes, 5 fourth place votes, and 2 second place votes, for a total score of 46 points. Appearance takes the top of the list for now. Now let's move on to intelligence. Intelligence races off with 9 first place votes, 5 second place votes, 2 third place votes, and 0 fourth and fifth place votes, for a whopping score of 71 goddamn points. Staying in order, we're going to head to emotional health, which accumulated 5 first place votes, 5 second place votes, 3 third place votes, 2 fourth place votes, 1 fifth place vote, and this score came out to 59 total points, which is good to jump in second place. But hold up a second, we still have 1 trait left and it can definitely take the top spot. Social skills came out the gate with 0 first place votes, 2 second place votes, 1 third place vote, 5 fourth place votes, and 6 fifth place votes, for a crazy total of 28 points. If you wasn't keeping score, it's okay. I got you. This right here is the final ranking when you take into account all the women that participated in the survey. We're not done yet though, because I want to show you guys 2 discoveries that I found interesting. See, if we were to filter out all the women that were 26 and up from this survey, we'll find ourselves with some interesting numbers. The numbers show that young women pretty much see intelligence and emotional health as interchangeable. They also show that young women really don't care about how much money you're making now, but they do take a big vote on whether you are making money in the future. Okay, now let's do the opposite. Let's filter out all the 19 and 25 year olds, and let's bring back the 26 and 30 year olds. Let's see what we got. This is very interesting because you can obviously see the difference in a woman's preference as she gets wiser with age. Intelligence is now a no-brainer number 1 for these women. And unlike the 19 to 25-year-old women, these women are more likely to be attracted to well-rounded men. You can see this in the numbers because the gap from appearance in the last 2 categories are marginal at best. So Quincy, what can we learn from all these numbers? Well, number 1 is intelligence trumps all. This makes sense because in older times, men were expected to be the scholars of their families. How smart and how dumb a family was in direct correlation to how smart or dumb the man of the household was. Because it was his knowledge getting passed down to the family. Become a man that is constantly gaining knowledge, acquiring skills, and constantly getting out of his comfort zone. And I encourage you not only to do this for women, but to do this for yourself as well. 2 is that you need to know how to love in order to receive love. A man's emotional health is one of the most neglected things in his life. Like he's constantly being told to suppress his feelings and be strong, blah blah blah. But to be honest, this thinking is oversaturated as fuck. The truth is, having a good allocation of logic and emotions is a big turn on to women. That's why intelligence and emotional health are the most important traits according to this study. Yes, you need to be a good logical problem solver. But if you ever dealt with a feminine woman before, you know that being logical isn't enough. Sometimes you'll need to convey your emotional side, but if that emotional side is packed up with anger and bitterness from past events, that's a big turn off to women. And number 3 is that game isn't everything. I know there are young men out there every day getting fooled by these pickup gurus. They're paying their hard-earned dollar to learn the secrets to getting women. But as you can see in this trait, your game isn't the make or break thing when it comes to you getting women. Your appearance, your career path, your emotional stability weigh way more than you just talking your ass off. Your goal should always be to become a high standard male. If you honestly want to attract the woman of your dreams and quit messing with the girl of your nightmares, you must commit yourself to constant self-improvement. Improve your mind, control your tongue, level up your appearance, stack your pockets, and improve your tongue, and you'll soon be on your way to attracting the women of your dreams. Now, if you guys want to follow me anywhere on social media, I'll be leaving all the links down below in the description. I appreciate everybody that watched this video to the end, and I'm gone. Peace.